Today I'm gonna talk about a unique alarm clock app for Android. Time is Money is the smart alarm clock app for Android that can be set to penalize you if you don't wake up on time. It has all the features of any free alarm clock app, but has a major thing in plus. It forces you to wake up on time in order to save money. But how? Let's take a look. This is the interface of the app. I am adding an alarm. You can enable the penalty, and it is the sweet part of the app. You can also repeat the alarm for the days you want. You can set the alarm sound from your own library or the app default ringtones or even Google Music. And this is the main feature of the app, which is penalty alarms. So you can optionally set up the alarm to charge you a cash penalty if you wake up late. And you decide the amount per minute and the maximum per alarm. You can add the credit by your Google Pay. You can also check the statistics, the place where the app keeps the stats about your delays and penalties. And here is the main setting for the app. So you can set the penalty per minute if you are a lazy person, or if money is very important for you, you can start with a lower price. So now I'm gonna add a new alarm. Now the time is 6:49 and I'm gonna add 2 minutes, like 51 or 52, and to see how I'm gonna handle it. The alarm sound increases because in the setting it is set on volume is crescendo. It is possible to set it up so the alarms increase its volume gradually. When you grab the phone, the sound lowers immediately. The cool thing about this app is that you cannot snooze or dismiss it. So this is the point of the app. You have to wake up completely and enter the numbers according to their order. And if you make a mistake, you have to repeat it again. Time is Money is one of the apps that can be titled as the best alarm app to wake up early. The app is free and you won't see any ads as well. And the app is available in English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese, also Italian. This app is for the people who snooze their alarm so many times and who really struggle to wake up. Of course, it is up to you to set a penalty to the app, and in this case, I promise that waking up early will be your habit if you are not super rich.